Imagine planting seeds today and in just 30 days harvesting crisp radishes, tender greens, and fresh herbs for dinner. No waiting 3 months, no empty garden beds, just quick, delicious results, even if you've never grown a thing before. Gardening success isn't about a green thumb. It's about picking the right plants for fast wins. Today, I'll show you 10 veggies you can grow and eat in under a month. Perfect for instant gratification and fresh flavor. We'll cover how to start, care for, and harvest these speedy crops with a little humor along the way. So grab your gloves, or don't, find a sunny spot, and get ready to turn any space into a productive, edible oasis, faster than your next online order. Let's dig in and start growing. First up, the radish, your ticket to instant gardening gratification. Sow seeds directly into a garden bed or container, about 1/2 inch deep and 1 inch apart. Radishes love cool weather and sunshine, making them perfect for spring and fall. You'll see sprouts in just 3 to 5 days. Talk about fast. When seedlings are 1 inch or 2 tall, thin them to 2 to 3 inches apart for plump bulbs. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Dry soil makes them spicy and tough. In 21 to 30 days, check for bulbs about 1 inch wide. Don't let them get too big. Harvest by gently pulling them up. It's one of the most satisfying moments in gardening. Radishes are forgiving, fun, and perfect for beginners. Add them to salads, tacos, or just snack on them fresh. Why did the radish break up with the carrot? She was too radical. On to the next speedy veggie. Next, baby lettuce fresh. Tender greens in just 25 days. Loose leaf varieties like Black Seed Simpson or Oak Leaf are perfect for cut and come again harvests. Sprinkle seeds over good potting mix. Cover lightly and water gently. Lettuce seeds need light to germinate, so don't bury them deep. In about a week, you'll see a carpet of green. Keep soil moist. Lettuce roots are shallow and dry out fast. Thin seedlings if needed, and enjoy those first tiny thinnings as a mini harvest. When leaves are 3 to 4 inches long, snip outer leaves 1 inch above the soil. Leave the center to regrow. Harvest in the morning for the crispest leaves. Enjoy a steady supply of fresh salad right outside your door. No more wilted grocery store greens. Let's keep building your speedy salad bar. Craving a spicy kick? Arugula or rocket is your answer. Ready to harvest in just 20 to 25 days. Sow seeds directly in the garden or containers, about 1/4 inch deep and 1 inch apart. Arugula thrives in cool weather and germinates in just 3 to 6 days. Keep soil moist for tender, flavorful leaves. Thin seedlings to 4 to 6 inches apart. Toss thinnings into your next meal for a peppery punch. Harvest leaves at 2 to 3 inches long using the cut and come again method. As weather warms, arugula may bolt and get spicier. So harvest often. Use fresh in salads, on pizza, or blended into pesto. Arugula is fast, flavorful, and perfect for impatient gardeners. Add it to your garden for a quick gourmet upgrade. Ready for another superfood? Let's keep growing. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, and you can harvest baby leaves in just about 30 days. Sow seeds 1/2 inch deep and 2 inches apart in rich, well-draining soil. Spinach loves cool weather and can handle a light frost. Germinates in 5 to 9 days. Keep soil consistently moist to prevent bolting. Thin seedlings to 3 to 4 inches apart for baby leaves. Harvest outer leaves when they're a few inches long, leaving the center to regrow. Enjoy spinach fresh in salads, smoothies, or sautéed with garlic. Multiple harvests from a single planting. Just keep picking. Homegrown spinach is fresher and tastier than anything from a bag. Fast, easy, and packed with nutrients. Let's add more variety to your speedy garden. Meet baby bok choy, crisp, sweet, and ready for stir fry in about 30 days. Sow seeds a quarter to half-inch deep, 1 to 2 inches apart, in beds or containers at least 6 inches deep. Bok choy loves cool weather and tolerates partial shade. Germinates in 4 to 7 days. Keep soil moist for rapid, tender growth. Thin seedlings to 4 to 6 inches apart for compact heads. Harvest when plants are 4 to 6 inches tall by slicing at the base. Eat thinnings. They're delicious. Protect young plants from pests with a floating row cover. Bok choy is versatile, easy, and adds a unique touch to your garden. Perfect for quick stir fries or steaming. Ready for a 2-for-1 harvest? Turnips offer a double reward tender greens in 28 days roots later if you're patient. Choose varieties like 7 Top for lush greens. Sow seeds shallowly and densely. Turnips love cool weather. Germinate in about a week. Keep soil moist for mild, tender leaves. No need to thin aggressively, just harvest small plants as they grow. Snip outer leaves or pull young plants when greens are 4 to 6 inches long. Enjoy greens now and let a few mature for roots in 50 to 60 days. Turnip greens are nutritious and perfect for sautés or salads. It's a win-win for every gardener. Let's keep the fast harvest coming. Scallions or green onions are a kitchen staple and ready to harvest in about 30 days. Sow seeds a quarter-inch deep in dense clumps or rows. No need to space them out much. Scallions thrive in sun and well-draining soil. Germination takes up to 2 weeks. Keep soil moist for strong growth. No thinning needed. Let them grow together for easy harvesting. Harvest when tops are 6 to 8 inches tall by snipping above the soil, leaving the bulb and roots. The magic? They regrow. You'll get multiple harvests from one planting. Use fresh in salads, soups, or as a garnish. Scallions are low maintenance and endlessly productive. A must-have for any speedy garden. Ready for a trendy superfood? Kale is a superfood superstar, and baby kale is ready in just 25 to 30 days. Sow seeds half an inch deep, 1 to 2 inches apart in cool weather. Germinates in 5 to 8 days. Keep soil moist and give plenty of sun. Thin to 2 to 3 inches apart for clusters of tender leaves. Harvest leaves at 3 to 4 inches long using the cut and come again method. Baby kale is milder and sweeter than mature leaves, perfect for salads and sautés. Enjoy thinnings as your first taste of homegrown kale. Leave the central bud intact for continuous harvests. Kale is hardy, forgiving, and keeps producing. Add it to your garden for a steady supply of greens. Let's add some color next. Swiss chard brings vibrant color and flavor baby leaves ready in 30 days. Plant seed clusters half an inch deep, a few inches apart, thin to 4 to 6 inches for baby leaves. Chard tolerates warm weather and produces all season. Germinates in 1 to 2 weeks, thin seedlings to the strongest in each clump. Keep soil evenly moist for tender leaves and crisp, colorful stems. Harvest outer leaves at 3 to 4 inches long, leaving the center to regrow. Use baby leaves in salads, mature leaves for sautés, and stems like celery. Swiss chard is low maintenance and visually stunning. Enjoy a continuous, cheerful harvest. Edible landscaping at its best. Ready for the fastest harvest of all? Microgreens are the ultimate in instant gratification. Harvest in just 10 to 14 days. Use a shallow tray, potting mix, and seeds like radish, broccoli, or peas. Sow seeds densely. Press into soil and keep moist. Cover for a few days, then move to light once sprouted. Water from the bottom to prevent mold. Harvest at 2 to 3 inches tall by snipping above the soil. Microgreens are packed with flavor and nutrients. Perfect for garnishing anything. Fast, easy, and incredibly rewarding. Grow them year-round, even indoors. The quickest way to fresh food. There you have it. 10 veggies from seed to plate in 30 days or less. Perfect for beginners, impatient gardeners, or anyone craving fresh food fast. With these crops, gardening is quick, fun, and rewarding. Start small. Even a windowsill pot works. Experience the magic of growing your own food, one speedy harvest at a time. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and tell me, which speedy veggie will you plant first? Until next time, happy growing.